Hey there, let's talk about the Oura Ring. So I want to tell you about this. I have some very unpopular opinions about the Oura Ring. I'm sorry, I just do. So buckle up, we're going to talk about it. So first I'll just show you, this is version 4 and it's a size 8. I usually wear it on my middle finger. I sometimes wear it on this finger. It has this little notch and the notch goes on the palm side of your hand. So here's what it can do. You can get the extra monthly service that gives you more features. You don't have to get the monthly service. It has a lot of features without it. I have the monthly service. I can look at things like activity, sleep, heart rate variability. I can track my cycle. I can track my readiness for the day. It tells me real-time heart rate, my activity, calories, things like that. It's all in the app. Here's the thing. If I want to look at how many steps I've had today, just a random check of how many steps I've had for the day, I just look at my watch. If I want to look and see how many calories I've burned so far, I just look at my watch. I don't feel like the ring replaces my watch because I still get my text messages and my emails and the time and the weather and all of those things. Now, is it a pain for me when I want to look at my ring data to open the app? It is kind of. I know I always have my phone with me and I use so many apps throughout the day. But like I said, if I want to look at my activity, I look at my watch. I'm sorry. I can't. Okay, there is one thing I like about the Oura Ring. It looks really good with these complimentary rings that I bought to go with it. So look at that. Those are cute. And so the ring I think looks cool on my fingers. I do like that. But otherwise, okay, let's talk about some of the things that it tracks. When it tracks my sleep, it tracks when I lay down and when I rise. And then it tells me that I slept from that time to that time. But maybe I didn't. Maybe I tossed and turned and I laid there awake and I worried about work the next day, or I worried about my kids, or I was saying my prayers, or I was thinking about what I was going to wear the next day, or the party that I'm going to the upcoming weekend. It tracks when I lay down and when I rise. It's not actually tracking when I'm sleeping. That's important. The other thing, I really wanted this so that it could track my cycle, but it doesn't really. I really thought that it would, because I'm in the change of life. I thought that it would help me anticipate or somehow track it that way when I would know when it's coming. No, all it does is you put in the date of your last period and it tells you when the next one should probably. Like it tells you it's day 2, day 3, day 4, day 25, day 26. But it doesn't like make that anticipation of when it's going to be coming. And so for me, it's just, I'm sorry, it's not worthwhile. All of the things that I really care about are on my watch. Everything else is just a guess. Everything else is just a guess. No, I'm tossing and turning and sleeping about or worrying about what I'm going to wear. Not, I laid down and closed my eyes and fell right to sleep and then opened my eyes in the morning and got out of bed. So no. I'm sorry. I really wanted to love it. And it's, I just really wanted to love it. And I don't. Sorry.